Welcome to our channel. If you want to verify your Apple TV Plus subscription account and start streaming original shows and movies, follow these straightforward step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Ensure you have an Apple ID by visiting appleid.apple.com or creating one on your Apple device. Apple TV Plus requires an Apple ID for subscription. Step 2. Visit tv.apple.com on your web browser or open the Apple TV app on your iPhone, iPad, Mac, or Apple TV device. Step 3. Sign in using your Apple ID credentials. If you haven't verified your Apple ID email, you'll need to do that first before subscribing to Apple TV Plus. Step 4. Navigate to the Apple TV Plus section and click Try it free if you're eligible for a free trial, or subscribe if you're ready to start a paid subscription. Step 5. Verify your payment method by adding a valid credit card, debit card, or other accepted payment method to your Apple ID account if you haven't already. Step 6. Review the subscription terms, including the free trial period if applicable, monthly subscription cost, and automatic renewal details. Step 7. Confirm your subscription to Apple TV Plus by completing the purchase process. Your subscription activates immediately upon confirmation. Step 8. Check your email for a confirmation message from Apple regarding your Apple TV Plus subscription. This email confirms your active subscription status. Step 9. If accessing Apple TV Plus on a new device, sign in with your Apple ID and the service will automatically recognize your active subscription. Step 10. Verify your subscription status by going to Settings on your Apple device, tapping your name, selecting Subscriptions, and confirming Apple TV Plus shows as active. Step 11. Start enjoying Apple TV Plus original content, including exclusive shows, movies, and documentaries you can watch on multiple devices using the same Apple ID. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.